Hello, geometry students. We're going to continue section 11-4, which deals with regular polygons. And this time we're going to focus on composition figures, where we're going to have to take the figure and break it into pieces, find different areas, and then add them together. And so I only have two examples to do. When I look at my first example, which is number 5, I'm going to break this into two pieces. I'm looking here and I'm saying, okay, I've got a trapezoid and I've got a half of a circle. So I'm going to have a half a circle plus my trapezoid is what I need to do to find my area. So area equals, I got a half of a circle, so I need to go pi, I need the radius, so the radius is 4.5 here, and then I need to do my trapezoid. Here's my trapezoid. I need to do my base 1, base 2, multiply times my height, and then divide by 2. And my bases are 9 and 23. So I'm going to go 9 plus 23. The height on that, this is the height, which is 7. And I'm going to divide by 2. So now my area equals, I'm going to take pi times 4.5 squared. Oops, that's not written right. It should not have a parenthesis there. Parentheses should be like this. So I need 4.5 squared times pi, and I'm going to take half of that, and that gets me 31 and 8/10 plus, so I'm going to take my 9 plus 23, that's 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16 times 7, 112. So then I'm going to add those two areas together, and this is all of my work right here, people. I'm staying nice and organized. I got 143.8 meters squared. Okay, let's take a look at our example number 2, which happens to be labeled number 6 from the continuing lesson. I'm looking at this. I see lots of triangles. Actually, I see this one right here. They're giving me 38, so I probably want to use this one right here. See that one on the left-hand side? And then same thing here. They're giving me this, and they're giving me this piece. So I do want to use those two triangles. I've got the left triangle, and then I'm going to add the right-sided triangle is what I'm going to do. That's how I'm going to get my area. And so area on the left triangle, my base is 38. I like this. They're giving me my numbers. 14 is my height. I'm going to divide by 2. Same thing in the right side. They're giving me the base of 40. Oops, 40. The height of 10. And then I need to divide by 2. Okay. So I need to take my 38 times my 14 and then divide by 2. That gives me 266. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 times 10 is 200. And then I'm going to add those two together. You get 466 centimeters squared. So during this second half of this lesson, you're going to have to be taking your figures apart and breaking them into pieces, finding each area, and then adding them together. So you guys have a great night, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.